sound of their curves. All right, YouTubes. All right. It is 1 o'clock on Sunday afternoon. I got a call for a walk-in box down. I also got a call for a freezer, not freezing, but I'm gonna look at that tomorrow. And then I got a keg cooler down too, but you can see right here in the corner, my windshield's been leaking. So I just kind of chicken shitted it with some caulking. I didn't get the right stuff. We'll see if we'll slow the bleeding until I can get it to the windshield place to have it properly resealed. But I'm gonna bring you guys along for this walk-in box call. It's gonna be about a 4-day storm coming, so let's get out there. It's supposed to dump. That took, let's see how long did that take? 32 minutes. 32-minute commute. Oh, Tippins. Bro. Come on, dude. Did you spill your guts out? Oh, just one pen. It's not too bad. Those. Let's grab these little minis. Like, I got water coming everywhere. Alright, I hear the unit running. My condensing unit for the walk-ins. Right there. That's not sounding good. Sounds like the compressor's not running. It's got pressure in it. Probably go straight to ohming it out. It's hot. Let's see. Yeah, she could use a tidy up. Let's ohm out some windings. All right, let's go ohms. 1.3, 1.6, 1.2. Yeah, it's probably close enough. Let's see if we can get this back on there. Okay, she is hot. Hot. Let's get in here and take a look at our start components. Dave here. Yeah. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, I'm all the way across town on another call, and then I have another stop at 3 o'clock, so I wouldn't be able to get over there till way later. So that's where I'm at. There's no telling what time I get done at, because then there's no telling what time I'll be at your place. So probably wouldn't be till 5 or 6. What happened to our 40-minute checkup? Oh, bummers. Yeah. No, I understand. Let me see if I can call this lady at the other place. I'm over here working on a walk-in box right now, and I'm not sure if the compressor is good or bad, but let me see what I can move around. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Let me see what's broken with this unit here, and then I'll call you right back. Is that okay? Okay. Yeah, I'm sure we can. I just got to figure out scheduling. That's all. Okay. You're welcome. Bye. She had called me this morning, and the unit was in defrost. I told her to call me back in like 40 minutes if she was having problems. She never did. And now it's what, 1:30 in the afternoon. Okay, so let's take a look here. We got the basics: potential relay, start cap, run cap. We can check those. I'm just trying to see the top, see if anything looks smoked real quick, but let's do this. Stupid human tricks. See if anything happens. That didn't sound very good. Did you hear that? It was all brrrr and then dead. But let's check the starting components. That did not sound good. Look at that. Maybe the run capacitor's not happy. That's not looking good. Alright, it's supposed to be a 25 UF. Let's see what we get here. We're at the middle of a donut. Let me go get a run cap and see what we got. Yep, it's not happy. Alright, there it is. We got the bow jack. 24.6. Let's do it. Let's see if we can get a win here. Alright, I tried the start components. I actually ended up changing out the potential relay too. No dice. That compressor is not happy. So I'm going to find him a new one in the morning. That's the way it goes sometimes. Stay tuned, and we'll see if we get an early morning compressor change out. I got another walk-in box to go look at. I'll bring you guys along. All right. That one's dead compressor. I actually got another walk-in box call right now we got to go look at. I'll bring you guys along. It'll be like double walk-ins. Tomorrow morning I got to find that compressor and change it on the one we just looked at. Let's go see what this next one is. She says it's 60 degrees. It's funny. She had called me this morning and the thermostat was in defrost. I was like, give it 40 minutes. Call me back if you need me. And I was working on a prep table. Never heard from her. And it's like, it's after 2 o'clock right now. I love it. But we're going to go look at it. I'll bring you guys along. We'll tune back in when we get to the job site. We already time warped the drive over to this job, so we'll just make it all into one video. Oh, my buddy with the freezer down said the Niners blew it. I told him I'm sour on Kyle Shanahan. A little sour on that guy. They blew it. Now they got Mahomes. I called it. How was that? How prolific was my call of the Super Bowl? I nailed it. Oh, this next one's gonna get soggy. That compressor change tomorrow is probably gonna be a soggy one. I might have to come up with a plan. Let's check the indoor box. Bunch of plastic bags on the back, one fan motor out. Let's see what else. It's calling for cooling. I think, yeah, it's calling for cooling. So I'm gonna put my ladder over this ladder to get on the roof. We'll grab tools and gauges and do the shuffle. I'll see you guys up there. All right, we're on the roof. The back of that evaporator is totally plugged too. I didn't mention that. Let's see what's going on up here. There it is. Check out that antenna. Uh-oh. Could be a repeat of the last box. I hear the fan. Hear it? Ah, look at this. Dude, I think that's the same compressor as the last one. What's all this hemming and hawing going on here? Yeah, this thing's hotter than a pistol. Look, same year, 2020. Made it 4 years. Just like the last one. Let's see. Condenser fan motor is that one, 50 watt. 2020, November of 20. The other compressor we just came from was RST70. This is a little 64. She's smoking hot too. See if we can get her to restart. See what it sounds like. Click of death. Gosh. Click of death. Here, a real rat's nest in the wiring. How rad is that? Crazy. I heard this thing trying to run. It's broken inside. Wait for the pressure switch. Here we go. Goner. Goner. Fan blades all goofy on this thing. This is the fan guard. All right, so that's 2 compressors. I got time. I'm going to go look at this freezer call that I was going to look at tomorrow. I'm going to go over there today.